Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a technical analysis on GTE. So it made a nice run from this accumulation or consolidation area, and right now it seems to bid overboard. If we go back to weekly chart here, I am a little bit concerned about this shooting star doji candle. This usually means its reversal pattern, so it seems like the selling pressure is quite high over here, and it might be the start of the reversal downward. And looking at the RSI and money flow index, the RSI seems to be coming down, so it was quite overbought. Yeah, right now it's this level, and it seems like it won't come down, so I will be careful on this tray. And this zoom out to daily. On the daily it still look bullish. It will say guy still an uptrend and still within this symmetrical triangle. And as you can see, so far it respecting this yellow trend, but if it break below here, if it break below 1.5 for the next 2 days, I would be concerned. I mean, if you were in a position, I would probably close the position. I got into the trade this morning at 1.51. So right now it's at 1.53. So yeah, I'm watching closely this level here. This is a area that it need to hold. But if this is really bullish, then you should break out of this triangle. So you should do something like this: a breakout, backward test, uh, and then continue higher. And let's what else, let's look at the fundamental part. But yeah, by looking at the chart, this has been really strong. You made a really nice move. Let's see. From this year, let's see, from this year, beginning of this year, found 50 cents to almost $2, and that like a 300% roof. And as you can see here, $2 is very strong resistance area, and you just could not break it in the first last time. This was what, yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of resistance here. So it might take a few tries to break through it. If does break out from this triangle, and let's look at the sum number here. So as you can see here, uh, it broke out. Seems like it's back testing this trend line, this purple train. And well, tomorrow it really need to be a green candle. Yeah, and let's look at the sum number. So the sale has been good sale, quoted a quarter of 125%, earning per share 230%, 17% owned by institutional. That's not and then I usually look at the Fintel equipment shares. Let's see who is buying or something. Um Read this: US GT institutional ownership. So I notice BMP purpose as a management. They bought 12 million share, almost 13 million at the beginning of this year. So that's a good sign. Let's see what was the price in January. I think it took a time. I think it was 50 cents January, around January, so that they bought it quite low at a good discount. And GMT capital, that's 37 million shares with 6% owners. Okay, I think they got it February 10th. Okay, around here 92 cents. And let's just look at the recent feeling from institutional. So guys, I think it took a time. If we check past record, as usual, April 6th, yeah. So some of the institution have been buying, not a lot, but quite still something. So this 1.9 million share bought by international core equity portfolios, 6 million shoes bought. Yeah, if you are buying only one, so in the last Michael, so Buckley, and so there's okay. So guys, okay, that's so fundamental wise, just to look good. So guys, if you are in the position, just need to make sure that it does not go below 1.47. We want to see hold up above the around 50, and then 200 MAS, so that quick trade on GT. So guys, so it made a nice run from this accumulation or consolidation area. Right now it seems to be bit overboard. If we go back to weekly chart here, this usually means as its reversal pattern. So it seems like the selling price is quite high over here, and it might be the start of the reversal downward. And looking at the RSI and money flow index, the RSI seems to be coming down, so it was quite overbought. Yeah, right now this level, and it seemed like it want to come down. So I will careful on this trend. This zoom out to daily. On the daily, it is still like still looks bullish. It will say guys, still an uptrend and still within this symmetrical triangles, as you can see. So far it respecting this yellow trend, but if it break below here, if it break 1.5 for the next 2 days, and I I would be concerned. I mean, if you were in position, I would probably close the position I got into trade this morning. Hope you like it or enjoy learning something from it. Thank you.